Hi. Hi everyone. I want to show you my new bike build that I just completed. This is a 27.5 plus frame with boost rear spacing. I just completed this bike build. I've done about 3 or 4 rides on it, and actually today I'm doing my first race on this bike. So I'm at the race start and just taking this opportunity to make a little video on this build. So what I have up front, let me start up front. I'm running, this is a 27.5 plus, but I'm running a 29er fork on it. Okay, I'm running a 29er fork. It gives me a higher arch, and I have a boost 27.5 plus wheel. Actually, this wheel is not a boost wheel. It is 15 by 100 wheel, so it's not boost. It's 15 by 100, 35 millimeter internal width, and as you can see, it clears the 29er frame, the 29er fork pretty well, with nice spacing on both sides. Okay. 180 disc rotors on the front. Shimano XT brakes, and the drivetrain is the 1x11 Shimano XT. So it's a whole component, Shimano M8000, I believe it is. So it's 32 teeth chainring at the front, and 1142 in the rear. All right, it gives me enough gearing for really any terrain. I haven't had any problems at all with gearing. So the rear also is a this rear wheel also is 15. I mean, it's 12 by 142 wheel that I'm running in the boost rear axle. I've got 2 3mm spacers on each side, and that works pretty well. I haven't had any issues. All right, WTB Ranger 27.5 plus tires, 3.0 inch. It's a nice tire. I run it on the rear. It's pretty nice width. Gives me nice cushioning. All right, and then the shock, D&M, I got this on Amazon. It's 165 by 38 millimeters. It's not a lot, but this is good enough for me. I don't like too much flex on my bike when I'm riding, so 38 millimeters is just good enough. All right, and let me see what else. I mean, the frame rides great, you know. I have no complaints whatsoever. I got this on eBay about $800, and I bought the components, put everything together. So price wise, let me see, frame is about 800, the wheels about 400, the fork about 300, see, that's 1500. and then the components about 400, you know. So everything probably came up to about $2,000 or something like that. You know, not a, you know, I'd say it's a pretty good price to put together for a 27.5 plus bike. I just like building my own bikes myself. It makes me involved with the bike. When something goes wrong, I know how to fix it, and you know, if you're kind of handy and you know what you're doing, it may be something that you want to try out too. But you know, it takes a little bit of research. You know, you have to know how all the components are going to fit together, what type of components to get, what specifications. So you really have to sit down and do your homework before you get into it. All right, so yeah, I mean, so far it's been great, you know. I've been really loving riding the bike around, so so far so good. All right, well, there it is, you know. Let me know if you have any feedback, questions, comments. I'd be glad to help out. Okay, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.